Hey, I am just doing a sample video of a nearpod that I did to show the amazing features that nearpod has. Um, and so all the students in my classroom, they were on a one-to-one in my classroom with Chromebooks. And so this was on the board. They could also use their phones as well, but it's like a code that you enter at the beginning, just kind of like Kahoot or the Paradox or whatever you use. You type in Nearpod with the code. So this is symbiotic relationships that I did with 10th graders. So just previewing of what it was, there was a quiz at the beginning about the previous day, and then they answer the question, and then all the answers come up on the board. And so the screens are almost in full lockdown, and then they we go through this together. I have little videos embedded that actually show up on the board. And then there's usually I do quizzes after each little video. And then this is just showing there's open-ended questions, like how does the plant stay alive even though it has no roots? So they can actually go into detail a little bit, and all of those pop up on the board. And then I'm just trying to go through, here's that. And then there's predation. And then I had them, this is what I would have them do for the AP Bio section with the hydrogen bonds on the surface tension. I would have them draw, this is the shoebill stork. I had them draw it from the previous video, but I would just have the AP Bio students draw it using these tools, and they can text, they can insert actual documents from the web, and then edit them and do things like that. And after they hit submit, it goes on to the large board, and then we can go through and you can actually click on them as a teacher, make them bigger, go through it. It's all submitted anonymously. And so, and they actually do really well that way. And it's not actually submitted anonymously, they just can't see the student's name. So after a student is done, you can actually see if something was inappropriately written, something like that. You can actually go through and find out what student it was, so if there's an issue that way. So there's just a quick little preview. I'm sorry that it's a 2.5-minute video, but just kind of showing how and I use Nearpod.